Okay, so now we're going to assume that the actual 0 cost is -3, all right, actual 1, the benefit is 50, right? And suppose if the oversampling weights are 0.6 and 20, okay, and these weights are computed how? So that's what we looked at in the PowerPoint. So you look at the actual percentage of respondents and non-respondents, divide that into the proportion of respondents and non-respondents in the validation set. So that gives us the weight, and you use that weight here. Okay? So now multiply the cost by the weight. That wait a minute, you divide the oversampling weight into the cost benefit, right? So that gets your cost adjusted for the oversampling rate. So now use these weighted cost benefit here. So, case and these are coming from here. Right? Propensity actual class. Okay. So now you use an if function to figure out the cost. Okay. If it is 1, then the weighted cost or weighted benefit. Otherwise, the weighted benefit is that, which is -5, which means it's a cost. Okay. And now you do cumulative cost benefit. So then our baseline will be, so the last y is -30. Then you plot the weighted cost benefit weighted for oversampling. Okay. Then, so the X range is cases. So that's our cost benefit for the model, and then you add the baseline, which is this. X is that. What is that? You need to format the graph a little. So lift chart with cost benefit weighted for oversampling. So there are two important concepts here. One is the cost benefit. Okay. There is asymmetry there. Okay. And then there is oversampling that we have to do. We need to know why we have to do oversampling. And when we do oversampling, how do you adjust for that fact when you do the classification matrix and develop the cost benefit? Okay. All of this is automatic in SAS that in the metadata section, you'll specify the cost decision values, and in the sampling, we'll look at how to do oversampling. There is a note for that where we will do oversampling. So there are two concepts that you have to keep in mind, that we'll have to see how we implement that in SAS. Now you know what it is, how do you get it done in SAS? That we will see later on.